You may have thought Tesla's Cybertruck looked like a toy car. Well, now it is a toy car. So 3 months after Tesla introduced the world to the sci-fi dystopian dream truck, the Cybertruck, Mattel has made toy versions of it, 2 in fact. This is a high-end collector's edition, limited edition model that is an RC car. It goes 25 miles an hour at max, has working headlights. Mattel even has removable decal stickers to commemorate that moment when the Cybertruck was revealed. Tesla's a good sport about this. They actually gave Mattel the Illustrator file of what the brake looked like. So there are 2 versions of the Cybertruck. There's one that'll work on Hot Wheels tracks. This is a Hot Wheels version. It's the typical 1/64th size, and it's an RC car, so you can drive it with a remote control. It has about a 15-minute charge and a 20-minute playtime. But if you want to go all out, there is a 1/10 scale model. Aside from working headlights and taillights, there is a tonneau cover that you can pull back, and this is the tail that will come down, and there's a ramp too. There's no ATV yet, but you never know, Mattel says. They may be cooking up one, so we'll have to wait and see. Once you open it up, you'll be able to see details of the dash inside. This is for collectors. The normal Tesla Cybertruck starts at around $40,000. This one, $400,000. So you're really getting something that has premium materials in it for that price. And they're saying it's very limited. It's going to be on pre-order at mattelcreations.com. And you'll get about 30 minutes of playtime. It'll also take 30 minutes to charge. So that's a 1-to-1 charge and playtime ratio. This may be the one Cybertruck I can afford, but the fun part is that if you are a Tesla fan, you're going to get this before the actual Cybertruck. The actual Cybertruck is going to be in production next year. This one, the collector's edition, it's going to be out later this year. Let's talk about the more practical Hot Wheels model. This is going to be still a lot of fun for collectors because it will have a remote control. It'll work on orange track and you can race it around. It's 3 inches long. And it has a recharge time of about 20 minutes and you get about 15 minutes of play out of it. So this will work on typical orange track sets. It also comes out later this year and it's 20 bucks. You know, the mini one doesn't come with those really cool cracked glass decals, but I'm sure it can handle a crash or two. This is a Hot Wheels car we're talking about, right? I did it!